Hi guys, it's Tony. Today I'm just showing you a quick video on Tesco pink, white and mini marshmallows. That's what they are. This is some cocoa and I put some in. They're actually not bad. They're nice tastes. I mean, they're not bad. They're not as nice as Haribo, but you know, they're okay for putting in cocoa. That's what's on it, or I should say that's what's in it. Right, so you get quite a lot, and they melt real quick actually in hot chocolate. Okay, you can eat them or do what you want with them, but yeah, adds gooiness to your bakes and hot chocolate. So that's one to watch out for, guys. Yeah, nice little it tastes okay. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. See you next one.